What does DaoLens actually do? DaoLens is a business to DAO offering, providing infrastructure and a suite of tools for community ninjas to provide their magic. If you manage a DAO, we can help you in 4 ways. First comes onboarding. In onboarding, we simply bring together the context that is spread across the suite of tools that you may be using in your DAO for a new joiner to grasp and make sense of. Not only that, if you are a server where there are more lurkers than contributors, our self-serve solution can be deployed in under 3 minutes. Not only that, from our centralized dashboards as an admin, you can see who joined, where they came from, why they came, what they bring to the table, how they got in, and in fact where they should even be routed to. Next comes contribution management. If you are a DAO where your members are jumping between a suite of tools, be it about documentation, be it about preliminary or secondary discussion, be it about on-chain or off-chain signaling, be it about task creation, management, bounty submissions, approvals, and even payouts. Or for that matter, if you are a DAO where the context keeps getting lost as people jump between these point solutions, DaoLens brings all of these offerings in one umbrella. We build where we have to, and we integrate where it's wiser to, but we ensure that you do not have to jump between a host of solutions. Not only that, if your contributors contribute across DAOs, they are absolutely gonna love our cross-DAO feed. The third offering we have is a discovery portal. Our Discover DAO library ensures that even if a 5-year-old were to run into our server, they would be able to make sense of what your DAO does and how they could even get started at yours. The last offering we have is playbooks and operations. Whether you are a new DAO trying to establish processes, or for that matter, you're an established DAO trying to have scalable methods for your community, we go, learn from the best communities, and bring all of it out in a playbook for you. So in summary, we do 4 things: discovery, onboarding, contributions, and operations. Please join our community and try our product to learn more. And please remember, we are an infrastructure offering, which means we are beyond excited to imagine all the use cases that will come up when people start building on top of the building blocks that DaoLens will expose.